What is it, Lisa?
It's a box.
One side opens easier than the other side.
Besides that.
The top.
Fresh quality snacks. Oh boy.
It's another box.
What? What's in there? What's in there?
Diapers?
Diapers. All right.
Are you gonna take it out?
Thank you, Angela. What'd
Take
you
it
get
out.
there?
You got a box of diapers?
Oh, is that pretty? Oh my goodness. Okay, now
Maybe this over here.
ooh, pretty.
Where?
I don't know.
Maybe over there by the fish tank.
Pretty, yeah. Now you got, look at all your presents over there to open.
Is there something?
Thank you, Hannah.
There's something else in this?
No, you got a box of diapers.
Here,
No, you
Angela.
changed it
Open
clothes.
this one. This is from your sister. See what's in there. See, Hannah?
How many boxes are in here?
Get something out. Ow. What's that?
What's in there?
Another box!
It's a whistle. Can you blow? Blow. Blow.
There's probably another box in this box, isn't there? How long does this go on?
I don't know. You think there's going to be something when you finally get down to the bottom?
I don't know. Maybe it's just another empty box.
No box has been empty.
Well, maybe it's one of the boxes and there's a box in it.
Oh, what'd you get?
Jupiter Network. A mailbox.
There you go. Angela's all ready.
Those are the best presents? Necklaces?
Boxing every box again. Oh my gosh.
What?
Another box!
What's in there?
Another box!
What's in that box?
Probably another box!
My gosh. How many boxes have you gone through?
3.
This is the fourth one?
Of course, another box.
Oh, what'd you get?
Another
A
box.
box.
Oh, it's a case of Girl Scout cookies.
That's another box!
What's in that box?
Probably another box. It's a box of shoes. There's probably another box.
Oh, you got nursing shoes for Christmas.
There's probably another box in it. There's another box! Oh my god!
What do you think's in that box?
Well, I don't know. Another
A
box.
What's in that box?
Another box!
What's in that box?
A Nintendo 3DS.
Are you sure that's what's in there?
Better check.
Better be.
Or what? Santa gets beat up?